Sadhar Pranam. In fact, today we have decided to discuss because we, the people of India, we are worried about it.
Yes, sir.
We are taxpayers. We have to pay taxes because of development of this country. I'm going to clear 3 to 4 things so that you could get exact idea to discuss on this union budget of India. Let me tell you, BPL, 27.4% in rural areas, below poverty level people live, and 23.4% people in city. I mean, they come under BPL, below poverty level. Maybe my data can be wrong, but I studied, I think, before 2 or 3 months, this data. So, looking these people coming under below poverty, keeping in mind, we have to discuss after the budget whether welfare is important or development of this country is important. Well, when I take the name of development, the development can be personal development as well. The development can be a person's development. The development can be a nation development. But when we talk about welfare, in welfare we have to discuss about roti, kapda, makan. Because in welfare, if a person gets food on the time, if a person gets reputation, respect in the society, if a person gets shelter in the society, somewhere he will be able to think for the development of this country as well. So here, talking on the topic of union budget of India, here we have to, raise points, aspects, opinions, understandings, views, telling the government, हमें एक कहीं की गुहार लगानी है कि सरकार को किस विकास पे फोकस करना है, क्या उन्हें वेलफेयर पे फोकस करना है या फिर उन्हें एक डेवलपमेंट पे फोकस करना है. कहीं ना कहीं सरकार दोनों पे फोकस कर रही है, बट समवेयर आर दी अदर्स वी सी दैट government is focused on development, sometimes government is focused on welfare of the society. So here this team will be saying that ki government should focus on development because development will really convert into welfare of the society, and you people are saying first welfare then development. Am I right or wrong?
Yes.
I was discussing before some time to these people, I was discussing about especially ISRO. That's a development of this country.
Yeah.
So I was asking that, what if if we are developing ISRO, the organization here, ISRO we are developing, somewhere we will get, like here Mr. Shiba mentioned that we will get recognition, and that recognition will promote, employments in this country. So that will develop the welfare of the society, guys. The first thing that we will discuss, that is welfare versus development, guys. Now the second thing that we have to discuss, guys, on the taxation, guys, because the budget is not only the budget of government, it is the budget of ours. The money we pay, it becomes budget, and yearly our finance minister tells the people of India where she or where the government is investing, guys. So here we have to talk about taxation. Now the topic comes here to discuss, that is exemption, guys. Should there be exemption of entrepreneurs? Means, should there be no tax on businessmen? Like these people are saying there should not be taxation on business or of businessmen, guys. And you people have to say that no, there should be taxation on businessmen and of businessmen, guys. Did you understand that?
Yes, sir.
So these things we are going to cover, keeping in our mind, talking about budget of India, guys. So first 10 to 15 minutes we are going to discuss about welfare development. All right.
Yes,
so
sir.
Can we start, everybody?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Can we start?
Yes, sir.
So who is there to discuss and convey the message of union budget of India, talking about welfare of the society? I mean, the budget must be used for the welfare of the society. Anybody wants to share opinion, please? Please. Why budget for welfare?
Honorable Sir and my fellow participants, today we are talking about on the base budget, welfare and the development, and also the union budget. What is in union budget 2026? So as we know, development without welfare is a body without a heart. It may look alive, but it is not. It is dead inside. So, as we know, our budget is based on the Constitution. Constitution talk about the welfare first, then talks welfare first, and then development.
Yes.
Because we have to think first about the welfare, then development. Because if we build a building without thought that in what way we use it, like if we open any institute, we don't have think what will be happen in this building. It will be Institute of English, it will be Institute of Science and Technology. So how we can say that development come first, then welfare? So welfare come first, then development. Because without welfare we cannot think even about a single pen. We can make a pen when we think about the people. So,
Naji, I'm sorry to interrupt you. See, both are equally important actually, right?
Yes.
We do not have to talk importance of that. We have to talk where should budget be used.
yes,
If
sir.
Nirmala Sitharaman talks on, if she's going to talk on this,
Yes, sir.
so we the people have paid taxes. So the budget that a government has, right now, as of now, where should government focus on? Government should focus on welfare or development.
Sir, government should focus on welfare, and they are focusing in
They are
this budget
focusing.
because
Okay.
they are creating they are providing us for women. They are providing hostels in every district.
Hostels?
Hostels in every district. It is about the welfare of the girls. It is about the welfare of the education. It is about the welfare of the citizen of India. And
Very nice, very nice. Government is
And
doing well.
If we talk about the employment, employment comes when you will be capable for that. So they are providing they are talking about when foreigners come in India, we have not good guides for that because there are some guides who guide them, but they are not how we can
They're
say
not able to?
They are not able to guide in a right way. So we will provide training for that. So it is
Oh.
also good. And in this budget, they are also talk about the orange economy. It is also the welfare of the citizen of India. Orange economy means content creator, and also the other things like games and many other things that can provide that can make you earn.
Really? How
So it
much
is-
do you
it is-
earn from Instagram?
Actually, sir, I'm not getting money right now.
Sir,
So how is it employment?
Sir,
I'm sorry
it is-
to say that.
Sir, it is not.
Content
it
making is employment.
Sir, let me complete.
See, our finance minister also has said that content making is employment. How much do you earn? That's my question.
Sir,
Sir, it's a criteria, na?
It's a criteria, but
Sir,
Alright.
let me complete. In this way, we can say, like, if you are creating a video, you need a editor. Editor, we can editor. We can say editor is an employee because you have to have an editor. Without editor, you cannot publish even a single video.
Right.
So we can train them as editor. We can train them as a cameraman. Like without camera, you cannot make any video. So we have to have a cameraman also. So these are things comes in orange economy. So we can not consider even a single video if we are creating. Hey, I am here, I am there. So it is not about the orange economy. Orange economy is a vast part of economy.
Okay, beautiful.
So sir, that's all the union budget of 2026.
But I think 12% people are.
Sir, good morning, ladies and gentlemen. Thank you, sir. Sir, as she said that orange economy, content creation. In every house there is a content creator. But how can you arrange the money if you how can you arrange the money, sir, for the editor, for the editor, for the cameraman, if you are not able to earn? Crore of the people, they are making content creation, but they are not able to earn, sir. Only 12%, 10% are people are earning from the content creation. But
I think you were not you were not
saying
listening
that
me carefully because I said that they will train you. They will not. They will train you. They will not make you. They will not compare
sir,
you. They
sir,
will not
I-
mandate you to make.
as
Yes, sir. There are many
As
yojanas
she
are
said that
there.
the first question, the person who are capable to earn, they will get jobs. Ma'am, in 2012, there was a 0.6%
Okay.
unemployment. But nowadays, we have 2.7% unemployment. Just because of that, lakhs of the people, crores of the people of India, they have completed the graduation, they have completed the BCom, they have completed the BSc.
Because
After
of
that,
that-
they are not able to getting job, ma'am. After
Because
that,
of that,
means that they are not able. They are not capable.
Because
They are not
of
capable.
that, our government is focusing on the creation. If we create labs in the schools for content creator, also for the games activities, we can able to earn more and we can
That is
able
what
to
I am
get
saying, sir.
job easily.
Development is important, sir. That is what I am saying. That development is important. If that, sir,
It's a welfare.
It's a welfare.
Sir.
Kausal Vikas Yojana, individually they're training you.
no, sir, sir. If that, sir,
They will
sir,
open
if development will be
1,500
there,
labs
ma'am.
in the college, in the schools, and 500 labs in the college. So it is not about the welfare. It is about the welfare. If you
Sir,
are not aware
Sir, if
aware about
development
it,
will be
it
there,
is your
the college
problem.
will be good. Sir, if the welfare development will be there, the college will be good. At that time, the children, the student, they will get good study. They will develop themselves, sir.
I just want to justify this. See, she was mentioning about that ki content creation. So the government will individually focus by so many schemes like Kausal Vikas Yojana and many yojanas are there. So they will go village to village. They will promote. They will skill them. And after skilling them, this is the welfare of the society that they are making you capable of it.
Sir,
And if you once become capable of it, you will start creating your own content and you will start earning money by that.
the first thing, sir, the first thing I want to make her understand, Kaushal Vikas Yojana doesn't teach you how to make content. The second thing is that Kaushal Vikas Yojana, when it was started, at that time, crores of the lakhs of the people, they were taking study from
there
Kaushal
is not
Vikas
only
Yojana.
single
And
Yojana by-
9.6% people only get job after completing their Kaushal Vikas Yojana.
Good morning,
That is-
everyone. Good morning, Kef sir. First of all, Akram, I just want to ask the definition of welfare and development. Things which is being given free of cost to the people to fulfill their requirement, those are considered the welfare. And after, apart from fulfilling the requirement, whatever the things are being done to get the benefit to the people is called the development. As my friend
Ma'am, I just want to say that development, sir, if the people are not able to earn,
Akram,
if the people are not able to get job,
Akram,
how can they develop themselves? How can they develop?
Akram, don't beat around the bush. First of all, I just want to know the definition of the development. What do you consider with this terminology? What is development? That for first, I want the answer of this word.
Development can be development for the country, for themselves. Personal development can be there.
It is not the like a definite definition which you are giving. The requirement after fulfilling the requirement, all the things. Suppose that basic if you need 2 chapatis and you are being given 2 chapatis, after that you have the craving for pizza. That is called the development, right? So develop,
Or welfare is important. Welfare is compulsory actually.
Yes, the first development will be important, sir.
No, it is not like that. And my friend Nazia told that in school and colleges, sports and such kind of things are being, it is on the ground level. If you promote, if you just like take them out of the state out, that is called the development. That is like the basic things.
No, sir, it's development, sir. If government develop them, that's they by providing them education, providing them skills.
But they are doing.
So
But
that is
they are
development,
not-
na?
That is welfare. They are
If a
thinking
people,
about
ma'am, sir, if a people is developed, they can earn money, they can easily survive, they can easily.
Then what is welfare?
So the term.
Sir, first of all, let me explain. Are you here?
Yeah,
Are you here? It means welfare.
development.
No.
Sir is not
First
doing
of all,
welfaring.
You have to be here. Okay. Welfare means, first of all, it's a like roti, kapra, makan. It's our basic need. And when you are talking about government and budget, government is for welfare. Government is first of all for welfare. Okay, let me tell you one thing. If you didn't study 10th, 12th, graduation, how can you become a ISRO scientist?
Yes.
Yeah, basic.
So basic need is schools, college, then you can make
Dr.
IIT.
Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam is not study 10th or 12th, but they become scientist.
Who said you? Who said you?
Yeah,
He
sir.
didn't study 10th and 12th.
Yeah.
How can anyone become like this? So
Without PhD, how we can use
Let's not talk after answer and answer. I mean, budget should be used for the welfare or development. She mentioned about pizza and chapatis. Now you are becoming a specialist. Don't be that. Don't be that, please. Right. So coming to the next opinion, please. So they mentioned, see, welfare is compulsory thing. Yeah.
Yes, sir.
I mean, it's a basic thing that a person needs to be given, right? And government has to spend money of budget on the welfare of the society, for the welfare of the society. Now you are saying that budget should be used for the development of this nation. Then how and then where? You need to just tell that. Anybody else who wants to mention about the development? Why is development important for this nation using the budget, union budget of India?
Sir, the development is important for the nation. Just because of that, lots of the girls, they are coming here to the in cities for taking studies, for the taking skills, learning skills. That is why the development is important. If the development will be there in villages, at that time they will be safe. Nowadays, what is the what we call crime rate is going increasing nowadays, just because of the less development. If development will be there, the people who are doing crime, they will be literate person. At that time, the crime rate will be zero. Nowadays, just because of less development, the people are not able to getting that much salary they want. Just because of that, they are going to the foreign countries for earning. Lots of the doctors we have, they are going to the foreign countries. Just because of that, we had lots of scientists, and they went for the NASA. They are not working in ISRO because of less development. Yes, sir. Just because of less development, the inflation rate is increasing. People are not. Yes, sir. People are not getting good salaries. That is why they are not able to feed their families. They are not able to feed themselves. They are not able to make them a good person. Just because of that, sir. What do you call? Yes, sir. In India, our capital per income is 1.7 lakh rupees. Means that we are not able to get good salaries. We are not able to earn good that much income. We can do whatever we want. Just because of that, development is important, sir.
May I, sir?
Yes, sir.
Okay, fine. I just want to clear one point that he wants to say that so many people of India, they have to go other country for maybe experiment
Give the answer.
because there is no development. And in addition to this point, I would like to talk about Sundar Pichai as well. Sundar Pichai has to become the CEO of Google because
sir.
we don't have anything to do here.
Sunita Williams as well,
I'll tell
sir.
you one thing, we have been calling India Sone ki chiriya. So let me tell you one thing, India is not poor.
Yes.
The people of India are poor. That's why you should do welfare in your country. India is not
Which
poor.
type of welfare you want?
I'm talking, you talked just before that some good people, some scholar people went to another country to get enough salary. Okay,
Yes.
it's right. So, if the people of India are not poor or not rich, say obviously they will go another country to make them development.
Other person,
So-
please. Other person. We want development for Indian people to work here.
First of all, sir, I would like to give the answer of the Akram. Whatever the question has been asked, even he misunderstood. He said that people are becoming criminal because basic things are not being given to them. This is only the reason. If you are hungry,
If you have two hands, why there is need to get basic things without doing any work?
without,
sir?
yeah, just like that is the reason. Now, if it will be given at the lower cost, then people will
Means
be able to
that is
fulfill
what
their
that is what I
requirements.
said,
And
that
the
if there is
second-
development, the companies will be
Akram,
there and the people will work, ma'am.
Akram,
You need to understand.
Akram, we listened your point very calmly. We let us speak also so that you could listen our answer. You have spoken. Now, second answer, I would like to say that people prone to go other countries. What is the reason behind it? Why people? Because resources are not being given to them, and people like government is only supporting government is only thinking about the development, highways, roadways, they are not thinking about the welfare of the people. This is the thing. People, like if I talk about the South Indian people, mostly they are kind of very studious person. They just want to go out of the country because they say
We don't have development here in
Yes, sir. That is what I
Resources
said. That as you said, resources. Because we have less resources because we have less development. We want development. After development, they will not go there. They will not go there in foreign countries.
what development let us know now what kind of, if you are not providing resources to athletes,
What is the
to
need?
the person,
Why we have less
what
resources,
kind of
ma'am?
development
Just
you
because
are
we have
talking?
less development, we want development. That is why I am saying, sir. If development will be there, people will not go to other countries.
Only 60 or 70% are literate in India. So how can you make development in India, sir, without getting education? Without
What is the
you were saying
literacy rate of
crime.
Kerala? What is the literacy rate of Kerala?
Crimes are
99%.
happened.
But after that, they compel
Crimes-
to go in other countries, sir.
Sir,
Exactly.
Yes, sir.
Kerala people themselves.
The Kerala literacy rate,
crimes
sir.
are
The
happened
Kerala,
because of
sir,
lack
excuse me, sir.
education. If you see the graph of crime, so there are less education where it will increase. So
Sir,
you have
I was
to,
just saying
you
that
have-
the literacy rate of Kerala is 99%. After that, they are compelled to go in other countries just because of that we have less development.
no. Yes, sir. No, sir.
Excuse me. Those should speak who are not speaking. First, the way she mentioned that crimes are occurring just because of not having the welfare of the society.
Yes, sir.
They are not getting basic needs, that's why they are doing crime.
Yeah.
But the second point that Mr. Akram Daligan mentioned, that people are having to go other country because we do not have resources.
Yes, sir.
We do not have development here. You need to understand that. Have we gone to Mars? Why couldn't we reach on Mars? Because we are lacking development here in this country. But we could reach on the moon. Why? Because of development of ISRO. So let us focus. Now Elon Musk by SpaceX, he is about to go on the Mars and start one city over there. But why couldn't we? Because we are lacking the development.
Our country is developing country. It is not developed.
मेरे भाई चना आलू is not important.
Sir, it is important. It is important because in India so many people, they have no food, they have no water. Who will provide? Provide
bhai-
will government, no sir. Provide will be government.
You are happy that you are getting.
It is not my
Sir, you are happy
responsibility.
that you are getting ration, right?
Yeah.
Same.
What sir?
Shame.
What's about sir? What's
See,
about
I respect it, but you should not be happy. It is making you disabled. Yes, sir. Really, you need to understand that.
Sir, firstly-
it was started, it was good for COVID-19 because the people were not working. Yes, sir. But as of now, this is really making people disabled. Yes, sir. You need to understand that. No, I'm happy with ration.
Sir, firstly think about it.
What?
Our country is developing country.
Yes.
We are not developed. But in developing country, there are so many problems. Just like unemployment. We have.
So if see,
Sir,
what is the topic? The topic is Union Budget of India. The budget the government has, the budget should be used for the development. If there's a development, the people will get employments. If the people get employments, they will be happy.
Without
They will be living happily life.
welfare, how can develop?
About charges. If you go in any very big building, you will have to give the pay. You have to pay.
You have to
but
pay.
If we talk about the welfare, such kind of things are being given free to the people, right?
Yes.
Now, this is the
Yeah.
difference. How can you use if you don't have the money? Can you use those?
Ma'am,
free-
this Muft GV people cannot develop this country.
No, sir.
Yes.
Objection.
मुफ्त जीवी पीपल फ्री बीस रेवड़ी की बात कर रही हैं लोग, बताइए जो है फ्री कब तक
We
चलेगा
are not
मामला?
talking about rabdi, sir. If you need roti,
Yes.
so
Yes.
at the same time,
कब तक रोटी? कब तक रोटी मेरे भाई? Make your roti by company.
You don't
Make
have
roti
food
by
right now,
development.
no. You don't have food. You don't have water. You don't have pure quality of
अरे
education.
ना यार.
No, sir.
अरे
How
make
can
money
be done?
by the development. See,
don't have food.
government has budget or not? Tell me.
Yeah.
Government has budget.
Yeah.
If the government focuses on the development of this country,
Yeah.
people will work or not?
Sir,
If the people work,
Yeah.
the people will get money as well. If the people get money, the people will be surviving.
Sir, for which development?
Tell me one thing. If I am giving you fish to eat,
Yeah.
it is better if I am teaching you how to fish the fish. It is better.
Second one.
Second one, let me teach you how to fish the fish. मैं आपको डेली मछली खिलाऊं वो सही है कि मैं आपको बता दूं कि कैसे जो है मछली पकड़ना है वो सही है? अगर मछली पकड़ना आ गई तो आप डेली पकड़ के खा सकते हो, डेली मैं नहीं दे सकता आपको खाने के लिए।
सर तब तक मैं मर जाऊंगा ना।
If the development is already there, infrastructure is there.
Such kind of definition doesn't come under the development.
Ma'am, if there is development,
such kind
people
of
will be
thing-
getting
no,
money
no, no,
automatically.
Sir, no, I oppose to you like scheme.
राशन is important.
No, yet.
राशन is important.
Suppose that-
कब तक राशन चलेगा?
They don't have food proper.
If there is a development, people will get salary, they will be working, they will be skilled, they will be just focused on skilling themselves.
But right now, sir, those people who has no ration, who will provide? The government will.
They
not provide,
themselves
sir. The government will not provide. Then after, firstly think our food. Then after think
Government
our
is your father.
environment.
They take your responsibility.
Yeah,
Why this?
Why government will not take our responsibility? We are
Little
the
bit-
taxpayers.
government little will take
We
responsibility,
are
na?
the taxpayers.
Little, ma'am,
Government
ma'am.
is accountable for every.
Ma'am, there are, ma'am, in India,
Government is not accountable for that.
ma'am, there.
What is the meaning? What is the meaning? Then what is the meaning of the democracy? Government
they-
is
ma'am-
responsible for every.
Ma'am,
each
listen,
and
ma'am,
every
listen.
area.
Ma'am, in India, there are 15 crore people are living. How can government manage all of them?
First of all, I just want to know one thing. What is more important? Intellectual, like working on the mind is important, or making the buildings, making the roads, making this, that is important. If you train to the
So-
people, let me complete. Like sir was mentioning, like if we teach a person to catch a fish, right? So what it is the skill. Government has been working to provide the schemes, right? Government has been working.
See, the development will compel them to skill themselves. Why do you all come here? Why do you all come here? To skill yourself. Because you want to be placed somewhere. Right?
Yes, sir.
So likewise, if the development will be there, so vacancies will be there. Because of vacancies, people will skill themselves. Now you will say government will come to skill me. No! The time will teach you everything.
Sir, government doesn't come. Government provides the scheme to you, then you
Do you
avail
respect
the...
Prime Minister of this country or not?
Sorry?
Do you respect now?
Yes,
Why do you not respect his statement, be Atmanirbhar?
Yes, sir.
Our Prime Minister says, be Atmanirbhar. So think about yourself.
But our Prime Minister.
Rasan is Atmanirbharta.
Sir, our
But
Prime Minister also
Is
said
taking-
that G Ramji scheme
is,
because of
is
unemployment.
taking Rasan independability? Is taking Rasan independability?
No,
So,
but
राशन को प्रमोट कर रहे हैं, हम आत्मनिर्भर हो गए। कहां से आप आत्मनिर्भर हैं बताइए? From where are you आत्मनिर्भर?
Sir, but people are taking 3 and 4,000 rupees per month.
From where?
Government.
That is the problem, na?
No,
That
sir.
is the problem.
Sir.
And these free rowdy people,
Many
these
people-
rowdy people are saying welfare of the society.
Sir.
I'm getting 4,000 rupees. This is the welfare of the society.
Sir, but
this is
people-
rowdy.
People are depend, sir, 4,000 rupees.
This is well, and you are calling it welfare of the society. This is they are calling their welfare of society. Sir, इस देश को आप लोग जो है बर्बाद करना चाहते हैं. Budget should be used for the development of this country.
Sir, government which money which provided by government, the person who take money, they become kamchor. They do nothing.
Okay, let me.
The ration by Koti Dar.
Your mind.
If I am Vikram, if I am,
Can-
I
Can I answer?
Where can I work? Can I work? Why not?
You can work. You can write Zomato.
Not a disabled person from of course,
Yeah.
working. Paralympic is there.
Disabled person doing
I-
delivery job also.
Don't underestimate them. Don't underestimate them. Don't underestimate them.
First, you need to understand that your responsibility is your responsibility, not the government responsibility.
Yes.
Lots of the disabled person, they are working in foreign countries. Why not in
Sir.
India?
Listen to her, please.
Sir, all are mentioning about the freebies, right?
Yes.
Even our government in this survey, they are against the freebies about the ration and all.
Yes.
It means that people are not aware about the people are not aware about the survey and the budget. So if they are not aware, so our government is working on that now. Their welfare
You
is.
are aware, na?
Yes, sir. Welfare. It is not about the food and shelter only. It
Yes.
is about the education equality.
Exactly. Absolutely
And the education equality
Absolutely
and
right.
healthcare.
Absolutely
so,
right.
It is not means that we are providing wholly education freebie like that. So we are providing you opportunity. So it is the.
Your member is promoting
Sir,
that
it-
free.
it is
your
all-
member is promoting.
Sir.
We did not say that. Really, we did not say that.
If sir,
Rasan,
sir, let me
chana is
speak.
important.
Sir, let me complete.
Dal, chawal is important.
Sir, let me complete.
It is important.
Sir,
It is important, but only it is not important.
sir,
It's not only. It is important, but only it is not important.
sir, let me complete. As he said,
What about poor people?
sir, as
He mentioned 4,000. He mentioned 4,000.
They are mentioned also.
He mentioned 4,000. People are happy with 4,000.
Sir, okay.
Welfare to society.
If they are not aware about it, they are aware about it.
Huh?
They are not. If they are not aware about it,
Yes.
they are aware. They are answering.
We are. So we are.
answering.
So
They are answering.
we people are making aware कि hey dear Sarkar, finance
sir.
minister focus on
No,
budget,
sir.
focus this budget on the development
When-
of this
when
country.
he said 4,000 are ration, they are like explaining them. This is not good. They are
Nee,
not talking about.
this is good. Who is saying this is
not
good?
come in the-
Nobody
Sir,
says this is
not-
good.
Only this
see,
is not come under the welfare. Welfare is.
This
a
reudi
part
is
of our
important, but
constitution.
only this reudi, that's not important.
Sir, if we. Sir, it means that we are collapse our constitution because our constitution only talk about the welfare. Welfare
Ma'am,
comes
if-
first, then
ma'am-
development.
If any government
We are giving you opportunity. We are not giving you the freebies like लो पानी पी लो free है लो खाना खा लो free
Nazia,
है. It is not all about that.
Nazia,
It is not
if
that.
any political party
Yes, sir.
promotes by saying that I will provide you free this,
Sir,
will
we are-
you vote?
Definitely, I will not.
He mentioned 4,000.
I will not.
Someone will mention 10,000. Someone will mention this. So, huh.
That political leader,
Huh?
they provide, that is not welfare. Sir, that is not welfare. But
That-
government will provide,
Huh?
that is welfare.
To
sir.
come again, they can provide. I will not
How
take the
can you
name.
say, sir?
Somewhere it is happening. To come again in the rule, they can provide, man. Of course.
Sir, to
Nobody oppose that, sir.
Sir, listen.
Who will oppose?
Sir,
Who?
listen.
Arey?
Economic survey 2020.
One second.
Nobody oppose
Camera.
that.
Common Janta will accept that.
Sir, you people are let me, you people are sitting very calmly. Why you people are sitting? Because of like the defense. Right now, that is also comes under the welfare. Government's
Defense?
Defense is development, ma'am. This is not welfare. This is not welfare, ma'am.
It comes under. It
Ma'am, how can you buy submarine or aircraft or tanks, weapons?
It
is not welfare, ma'am.
First go. Yes, sir. It comes under.
Ma'am, it's not welfare.
It comes under the
It's
welfare.
budget. It's budget, ma'am. It's budget. How it's spent.
Sir, why we need development?
How can you say that, ma'am?
Sir, my question. Let me speak. Sir, my
They
question.
have, sir, no knowledge. They have no knowledge.
Okay.
एक second, Nadia. Wow, what a confidence you people are having. I'm seriously confused because with knowledge I'm talking about such kind of things. I never speak even a single word if I don't have the knowledge. First you people check it out, then talk about that where it comes. Right now I never
I see, ma'am, I see.
Yes, I never speak even a single word without having the knowledge.
Ma'am, you before few minutes, you say that people who have not a basic need, they are doing crime. But what about people who are rich? You know case about in Bangalore.
Don't
there is
beat around the bush.
Ma'am,
We were
ma'am,
discussing
ma'am,
about
I'm
the
telling
co-
fact.
Now,
Ma'am,
no,
how can you say
don't-
that?
Don't beat around
Ma'am,
the
I'm
bush.
telling fact. You have no points. That's why you are saying
Don't
bullshit.
beat around the bush. What you people were discussing about that here, just like the soldiers, money is being spent to
Ma'am,
make
first-
you feel secure. So all these things undercome the welfare. Don't beat around
Ma'am, it's
the
not
bush.
welfare.
Sir, I was discussing
Ma'am, you
this
are-
thing right now. Even just like and all the answer which I
Sir, few minutes.
If things work individually for the people, for the needy of the
Suppose
people,
that you are-
it is welfare.
Suppose that
But if you
soldiers
talk,
are, no, soldiers are standing on the border, so whom are they protecting? This is also
that's welfare. That's welfare.
Yeah, that's what.
But with the thing, the budget which is used for them,
So budget
radar.
is-
What is radar? What is radar? That is the development of this country. Ore! Army is working for the welfare of the society, for the welfare of this nation. But if army doesn't get proper development for securing this country, they cannot. You need to understand that.
Sir,
Sir, our motive is always welfare.
sir, please listen me one minute.
Yeah.
We all are here because of welfare.
Yes, you are
Do you
right.
agree?
Absolutely.
Okay.
Absolutely.
Sir, tell me one thing. Without welfare, can you do development?
And can you do welfare without development?
Yes, it can be.
Yeah, yes.
मेरे भाई, can I do operation without Caesar? I need something to do, na? I need equipment.
Sir, you
know our type
who will make development country? People of India?
The budget of India?
No, people of India.
The
sir.
budget of India?
No, people of India.
The
sir.
people of India?
Never, sir. It is impossible.
Huh? The people will
India.
pay.
We,
The people will pay tax.
That's
So
we are paying
tax,
tax. Okay?
tax comes in budget, and the budget will be passed for the development of this
If
country.
we are not capable to pay tax, so what will you do, sir? What will we do?
That's also a point, guys.
If we are not
That's
paying
also the
tax,
point.
so make people to like this to pay tax more and more, and then after you will make development your country. In the scientists
if we
who
will not
are
pay
working,
taxes.
the scientists
Sir,
who are working
sir,
in ISRO,
if we
who
will not
are
pay-
protecting our country.
Firstly, you need to
or
listen
at the
myself.
border. No. You
Sir,
told
if we
very
will not
much.
pay taxes, we will
Sorry,
earn from
you
agriculture.
told
We
very
will
much.
earn from
Let
historical
me-
places
let
we
me
have.
finish.
There is lots of ways to
Let
earn.
me.
Akram shouts a lot. Your points are not answered.
Let me tell you.
And what about you guys? You are just manipulating. You are just manipulating.
No.
Ma'am, please don't target.
Brother.
Sir, they are not able to listen first.
Brother, you come
If you will
from
not pay taxes-
from welfare.
Firstly, you need to
then
understand.
after you
sir,
are
if
talking
we will
now
not pay
about
taxes,
development.
We can earn from the agriculture. We can earn from the historical places. We have lots of things to earn.
Yes.
You need to understand first.
Yeah. How much?
My bouncer. My bouncer.
Akram.
My bouncer.
You are talking about welfare, na? In COVID-19, है ना? If we were not having enough beds for the patients, है ना? And if we have the beds, if we have development over there, we could save patients through development. We can save patients in that COVID-19 pandemic. So there we can use through development we can use welfare.
Health sector is under in welfare, brother. It is welfare.
It is welfare.
Yes.
But
Basic need. It's a basic need. Education. Education. Without education, you cannot make any country development. Education is our welfare, brother. Try to understand.
Absolutely right.
Without education, how can you make ISRO? How can you make launch satellite?
if you are talking about knowledge, na?
Yeah.
है ना? If you will not make colleges, you will not make universities, how you will
It
educate
is
the people?
welfare. It's for welfare. A school, college. It's a welfare, brother. School, college make you develop person. First make develop person. Then person will make develop country.
If you will not develop universities, colleges, schools, how you will get knowledge?
Exactly.
Yes, that's called welfare now. That's why you
That's a development.
Kumar, You are talking about knowledge, na?
Yeah.
है ना? I want to say something. And welfare. If you will not develop your nation, if you will not develop your school, universities, colleges through equipments, how you will be knowledgeable?
That's why we are saying to be first welfare. Welfare
First,
state.
then knowledge, then
Okay, brother, one thing. If you are talking about civilized society is first of all for welfare. If you talk about Sindhu Sabhyata,
Guys. Now the next rebuttal is on the exemption of entrepreneurs. Right? It is also related to the budget, union budget of India. So here they were saying the exemption should be there. I mean, no taxation. Exemption should be there. No taxation should be there for entrepreneurs. And you people are saying that taxation should be there. No exemption. So